All right, so I just went to Dollar General and I got stuff for the kids' bedding for the trailer, and I'm gonna show you everything. So everything, if you like it, you can find it at Dollar General.
Hey, take a breath for a second. You've been running, trying to do it all, answering every need, standing through it all. But I see the way that you don't always show, and I just need you to know, no, you're enough. Even on hard days, even when it doesn't go your way, you've been enough from the very start. Even when it feels like you're falling apart, give yourself grace. You're doing your best, you don't have to earn